Good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 13 from verse 1 to verse 20. Jesus washing follower them foot. Now, at it just before the Passover holiday, and Jesus didn't know so the time when he would have left the world and go to him Father did come. Him did love them, where did have him in the world. And that time, him show them how him did really love them. Supper did a serve, and the devil done put it in a Judas, Simon boy pitney, heart to sell out Jesus. Now, Jesus didn't know so the Father did give him power over everything that I got him come from and that I got him a go back to. So, he get up from around the table, take off his robe and wrap one towel round his waist. After him do that day, he throw water in a one basin and start to wash him follower them foot. Then him dry them off with the towel when he did wrap round his waist. When he catch a Simon Peter tell him say, "Lord, you go wash for me foot them." So Jesus said to him say, "You know get what me a do right here now, but you will understand after the incident happen." Peter said, "No sir, you no go and wash me foot them." But Jesus answer him say, "If me no wash you, you no have no lot and part with me." So Simon Peter say, "Lord, no go wash me foot them, wash me head and me hand them too." Jesus answer and say, "Somebody we bathe already, uncle have to wash him foot, cause him whole body would a clean already. Uno clean, but I know all I wanna clean." Him say so, cause him they don't know the one where they go sell him out. And that make him say, "I know all I wanna clean." When Jesus done washing follower them foot, he put on back in robe and go back go sit down round the table. Then he asked them say, "Uno get what me this do to uno? Uno call me teacher and uno call me Lord and uno right cause me a that for true. Now, if me, we are uno Lord and uno teacher, wash uno foot, uno must wash uno one another foot too. Me a set example for uno follow. When me do for uno fi do for uno one another. Me a tell uno fi true. No servant no bigger than the master, and no messenger no bigger than the somebody we send him. If uno understand and do them something here, when me a say, God, I go bless uno. When me a say, and about all of uno, me don't know which one of uno me pick already, but what God would say, I fi come true. It said that the somebody when nyam fi me own a bread turn against me. Me a tell you them sitting here now before they happen, so that when them do happen, when we believe, say me a who me say me be. Fi true, me a tell you say anybody will take in the somebody me send, take me in too. And anybody will take me in, take in the one will send me come. And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.